Hello again, this is Robert Veach here. This is my video review of the Moken brand, their 100 watt gallium nitride charger. It has 2 ports, Type-C, and has unique foldable AC so that you can easily fold this up and bring it on a trip somewhere, on an airplane, car. And it has this unique cable. It's a 4-foot C-to-C cable, and on one of the ends it has an LED display telling you the wattage that's going out from this into your device. Now this cable is really nice and unique because it is a full 4-foot length C-to-C, and it'll handle 100 watts easily. Most typical cables will not handle 100 watts, they'll handle about 50 or 60 watts. So what's the big deal about gallium nitride chargers? They're about 3 times as efficient as silicone based, and they offer lower resistance internally here, yielding less switching losses, and you end up with a really small profile. That's what this is right here. It's unusual to have this that small and have that much power. So you have a choice. You can divide this up, go 60-40, 40-60, or get full 100 watts out of one of them with that included cable. If you're trying to get 100 watts, make sure you use the included cable or another cable that'll handle 100 watts. So it also comes with a little simple instruction pamphlet, just the basics, but these are very simple to use. You just plug them in and set it and forget it kind of a thing. So just an example of the power of this. It allows fast charging for like a MacBook Pro 16-inch from 0 to 45% in about 30 minutes, and from 0 to 100% in about 1.8 hours, providing fast and efficient charging for laptops, tablets, and phones. I'm going to be testing with a tablet and a Pixel 6. It uses intelligent power allocation technology. The dual port power adapter automatically detects and optimizes the power supply to ensure the connected devices always get the best charge, achieving high-speed charging of 2 devices at the same time. So what that really means is that it's going to try and balance out the power so that you get the maximum benefit of that 100 watts. And this is really compact. Based on my hand, but I'll tell you it's 2.36 by 1.22 by 2.36 and a weight of about almost a half pound, 0.44 pounds. So you can see that's really small for 100 watts. Combined with that unique cable, that's pretty amazing. So this will support up to 5 amps on one of these ports as you get in that 100 watts. And it'll also allow data transfers of 480 megabits per second. So not only is this cable power, but it's also a data cable, which is pretty nice. And this is totally compatible with MacBook Pro 16, MacBook Air, MacBook Pro 13, M2, iPad Pro, iPhones 14 Pro. Just about anything that uses USB-C, you can use this device on. Here I have some of the studio lights off. I just want to demonstrate. I've got it plugged in 120 volts. And you can see I've got that, it's got that little cool little green-blue LED. I love the way that looks. I have the side on there that has the logo, so that's not the display side. This is the display side right here. Now, if you're not drawing any energy, it's not going to display anything. So I've got a vacuum cleaner as an example right here. And I'm going to plug that in. And then right there is showing me the watts that's going into there. And that's telling me that it's charging that direction, it's sending that energy in watts to that charger device. Now if I go to a phone, so now it's on my Pixel 6, and it's displaying the watts going in right there, and it's varying because the watts is going back and forth based on the charging algorithm. So that's nice. So now you get an idea of what's really going on with the power that's actually going to your device in terms of watts, and that's really handy so that you can really diagnose what you're charging, that you can see energy going into it. And here's a large netbook, and the display was on really quickly, and now the display went to nothing because this is fully charged. So if you have a fully charged device, you're not going to see that display, but that's telling you that it's fully charged. So you're getting the status right there of your charging status. So here's an example. I've got a tablet being charged with the included cable on this charger right there. Then I have another separate cable charging my Apple product right here, and it's allowing this to charge rapidly, and it's keeping the netbook going also at the same time. So after testing, what do I think about the Moken brand? Their 100 watt gallium nitride charger with 2 ports, Type C on here. Great product. I love the display on this thing. Works really well. I love the collapsible 120 volts on here, the small profile, the LED lit display on here and also on the cable. Really cool product. Seems to be really solidly built. I'm impressed with the quality of the build. I'm going to give this product a full 5-star rating. Please remember to hit the subscribe button and the bell icon so you alert to new video uploads. And if you thought this review was helpful, please hit the like button. There'll be an ordering link in the information section of this video review. Please use that link when you order this product to help support this channel. I hope this video review helped you with your buying decision. Thank you for watching.